Hi, welcome to Jagan's English board. Today we are going to learn where to use the simple present tense and how do we use it correctly. Clearly in this video, I'm going to teach you the three main uses of the simple present tense. Okay, let's start. Simple present tense. The three main uses of simple present tense. The first one, it is used to express the habitual actions. Second one, it is used to express the general truths or permanent situations. And the third one, it is used to express the future events that is a part of a fixed timetable or scheduled events. Okay, before going to the mainstream, I would like to introduce the basic structure of the simple present tense. The basic structure of the simple present tense is, first you take the subject, then verb 1 means base form of the verb, and then object. The subject is like a words I, we, you, he, she, it, Harshara Krishna. Let's take the verb write. I write, you write, we write, he writes. When it comes to the simple present tense, if the subject is third person singular, the verb should be added yes or es like writes. He writes, she writes, it writes, Harshara Krishna writes. Okay, let's complete the sentence by adding the object to get a meaningful sentence. I write a letter every day. We write a letter every day. You write a letter every day. He writes a letter every day. She writes a letter every day. It writes a letter every day. Harshar Krishna writes a letter every day. There you have the simple present tense. Okay, let's take an example. I write a letter every day. What is the meaning of this sentence? When I say I write a letter every day, you know that I do this action regularly. I do this action every day. So you can say that this is my habit. So this sentence shows us the first use of the simple present tense, that is talk about habits and routines. We have another example. We play cricket on Sundays. What is the meaning of this sentence? When I say we play cricket on Sundays, you know that we do this action regularly. We do this action on every Sunday. So by this you can say that this is my habit. So we have some more examples. My father reads newspaper every morning. My mother visits temple on weekends. When we talk about the habits and routines, we normally use this kind of expressions like every, the prepositions like on, in, and the expressions like once a, twice a, etc. We use the word every while using every day, every morning, every evening, every week, every month, every year, every summer, and every winter. We use the preposition on while using on Sundays, on Mondays, on weekends like this. We use the preposition in like in the summer, in the winter, etc. We use the expressions like once a, twice a while using once a year, once a month, once a day, twice a year like this. Okay, now we talk about the second use of the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to express the general truth or permanent situations. Let's take an example. The sun rises in the east. When I say the sun rises in the east, you know that this is a general truth or universal truth, and it cannot be changed. To express the general truths or universal truths, we use a simple present tense. We have one more example. The birds fly in the air. When I say the birds fly in the air, you know that this is also a natural thing and it also cannot be changed. We have another example. Honey is sweet. Okay, let's take another example. My brother lives in India. When I say my brother lives in India, you can understand that my brother lives in India permanently. To express the permanent actions, we use a simple present tense. We have another example. I work as a teacher. When I say I work as a teacher, you know that this is my permanent job. This is my long-term job. To express the permanent and long-term expressions, we use the simple present tense. By the above examples, we can say that to express the permanent situations or universal truths, we use the simple present tense. Okay, now let's move on the third use of the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to express the future events that is a part of a fixed timetable or scheduled events. Let's take an example. The match starts at 9 o'clock. When I say the match starts at 9 o'clock, you know that this is a fixed timetable in the near future. Let's take another example. The next flight is at 7 tomorrow morning. When I say the next flight is at 7 tomorrow morning, we can understand that this is also a fixed timetable in the near future. We have some more examples. The train leaves at 5:20. I come to your home the next Sunday. The school reopens on the July 4th. That's all about the three uses of the simple present tense. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you once again. Thank you so much for watching.